Part 18 of our Indian Constitution deals about the emergency provisions. Emergency provisions. According to Constitution, our Indian President can exercise three important emergency provisions. They are Article 352, Article 356, Article 360. So, emergency provisions. So, according to Constitution, our Indian President can proclaim these three important emergency provisions throughout in our country without hesitation he can declare emergency provisions in our country. Article 352 to Article 360 articles deals about the emergency provisions. Let us discuss about the articles emergency provisions regarding Article 352 to Article 360. Article 352, Proclamation of National Emergency. Our Indian President can declare national emergency. Our country declared national emergency 4 times in our country. Indo-China War 1962, Indo-Pakistan War 1971, Indo-Pakistan War 1975, Indo-Pakistan War 1999. In this movement, our President of India was declared national emergency. So, reasons to declare national emergency in our country, they are internal aggression, war, religious conflicts, threat to national sovereignty. These are the reasons to declare national emergency in our country. Our President of India can declare national emergency in our country. According to 44th Constitutional Amendment, our President of India can declare on the basis of written advice of Union Cabinet Ministers, they can declare national emergency in our country. Article 352. That is Article 352. Article 353. Effective proclamation of national emergency. Effective proclamation. So, from what time to time duration, from when it is came into force, national emergency or emergency provision, that was clearly explained in this article 352. Effective proclamation of emergency, that was explained in this article. Article 354, application of provisions relating to distribution of revenues while a proclamation of emergency is in operation. Whenever emergency declared by the President of India, application regarding to distribution of revenues among the states, that is clearly explained in this article. Article 355. Article 355 deals about the duty of the Union to protect states against external aggression and internal disturbance. Article 355 deals about the duty of the Union to protect states against external aggression and internal disturbance. Whatever state creating internal disturbance and external aggression, despotism, these are against to the national sovereignty. So, in this movement, Union government should take steps against this aggression. That deals about the Article 355. Article 356, provisions in case of failure of constitutional machinery in states. Provisions in case of failure of constitutional machinery in states. This was treated as the most misused article which was added in our country. The constitutional missionary failure of the states on the basis of governor report every year, thrice for once, 6 months for once, or 1 year for once. Governor acting as the constitutional nominee of the state is sending report to the President of India. When there is loss of maintenance of law and order matters in the state, in this moment, our President of India, on the basis of the governor report, he can declare state emergency or constitutional emergency in the state. This was used more than 120 times. It was most misused article by the union government. Some of the critics treated like that. Article 357, exercise of legislative powers under proclamation issued under Article 357. Exercise of legislative powers. Whenever emergency declared in the state by the President of India, in this moment, union legislature can make laws which was in the state list. Legislative powers regarding to the union government. That is Article 357. Article 358, suspension of provisions of Article 19 during emergencies. Suspension of provisions of Article 19 during the emergency period. In Article 19, providing 7 freedoms to every individual citizen: freedom of speech, freedom of expression, right to assemble, right to hold, right to work anywhere in India, right to move anywhere in India, and to conduct conferences or seminars. And these are freedoms, liberties of an individual citizen. Whenever national emergency declared by the President of India, almost all the freedoms can be suspended automatically, except Article 20 or 21. These are regarding the right to life, etc. Regarding Article 359 deals about the suspension of the enforcement of the rights can be conferred by the Part 3 during emergencies. Part 3, suspension of the enforcement of the rights conferred by the Part 3 during emergencies. So except 2 articles, almost all the rights can be suspended by the President of India. Article 359A, application of this part to the state of Punjab. Application of this part to the state of Punjab. Article 359A article deals about the state of Punjab. Separate article deals about the Article 359A. Article 360, provisions as to financial emergency. Whenever financial crisis in our country, government is not able to pay salaries to the government employees. In this moment, our government can declare national emergency by the President of India. Yet it was not declared by the President of India. That is financial emergency. Article 360 deals about the financial emergency.